Wiring harness. Includes power speaker wires, each labeled with its specific function. No need to cut factory harness, all connections match perfectly. EIA standard wiring color codes. Wiring harness for 1991 up Mazda. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. After trying weeks to find the right connector for my 2002 Mazda Tribute, this one fit the bill. The color coding was a little different than what I expected, but I think that was Mazda's fault.